Hey guys, before watching this videos must read this disclaimer.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is on your screen, Best VPN for Kodi app. So, as we all know that, VPN is one of the best way to unblock any content, websites and etc. The features they have is kill switch, leak protection, hide your IP address, router support, no logs policy. Now, first we talk about Kodi app. This application offers you all types of contents like TV shows, movies, sports content, music, games and etc. You can say that Kodi is the ultimate entertainment center. Let's start this video without wasting the time. So, as you can see on your screen, here we mention 5 best VPN for Kodi, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Cyberghost VPN, ipvanish VPN, Vypr VPN. So let's discuss with the first, that's NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the best VPN service provider. NordVPN provides 5,500 servers in over 60 countries. And it's worked well with Kodi app to unblock contents. Second is ExpressVPN. It is one of the popular VPN to access Kodi add-ons. It has a high-speed server and easily connect with multiple devices. If you want to know more about it, you can go with ExpressVPN review. Next is Cyberghost VPN. Cyberghost is a reasonable price offer choice. This software provides you Open VPN, which is quite impressive protocol to access Kodi. Vypr VPN is next best VPN service provide. It provides strong security features, protocols, encryption, etc., and it is easy to use software. Last VPN in this video is ipvanish VPN. It will keep your IP address and browsing information private, and the speed of the VPN is very fast and the user will not face lag and buffering. If you want to know more VPN for Kodi, go with given link.